Looking for accurate, fast, and reliable laser measuring tools? Whether you're a contractor, DIYer, or just upgrading your toolkit, this video covers the top 5 laser measuring devices available right now. All packed with powerful features and trusted by professionals. Let's get right into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Dual Laser Measuring Tool, Sigman 393 feet Bilateral Laser Measurement Tool. Color Backlit LCD Display, Rechargeable Laser Measure with 6 units FT/N/M, Angle Sensor, Multiple Measure Mode, Magnetic Back. The Sigman Dual Laser Measuring Tool is engineered for precision and built for professionals who need reliable performance on every job. It offers an impressive measuring range of up to 393 feet, with dual lasers that significantly improve accuracy and speed by capturing measurements from both ends simultaneously. This bilateral capability is perfect for room layouts, interior design, and large construction sites where efficiency matters. One of the standout features is the color backlit LCD display, which makes readings easy to view in low-light conditions. The screen is crisp and intuitive, giving you real-time data on angle, distance, and unit conversion. With support for 6 different units, including feet, inches, and meters, you'll have no problem matching regional preferences or project requirements. The rechargeable battery adds convenience and saves money compared to constantly replacing standard batteries. It charges quickly and lasts through extended use, which is crucial for contractors working long hours on site. It's also packed with multiple measurement modes, including area, volume, Pythagorean, and continuous measurement. These tools eliminate the need for manual calculations and provide fast results with just a few button presses. For stability and ease of use, the Sigman model includes a magnetic back, allowing you to mount the tool on metal surfaces during measurement. This is especially handy for working solo or when measuring from tough angles. The integrated angle sensor is another professional-grade feature, helping you determine precise inclinations for sloped surfaces or alignment jobs. Number 2. Hupar Professional Dual Laser Measuring Tool 393 feet, Rechargeable Bilateral Laser Measurement Tool, Digital Laser Room Measure Devices, Metro Laser Measurement Tool with Angle Sensor, Magnetic Back. The Hupar Professional Dual Laser Measuring Tool offers the perfect combination of accuracy, speed, and build quality, making it ideal for both professional contractors and home renovators. With a maximum measuring range of 393 feet, it uses a dual laser system that allows you to measure from 2 directions at once, cutting down on time and increasing measurement precision across wide or complex spaces. What sets this model apart is its high-efficiency measurement modes, including single and continuous distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations. It's equipped with an angle sensor, enabling precise incline measurements and helping you tackle layout and alignment tasks with confidence. These features are especially useful in settings where conventional tape measures fall short, such as angled walls, staircases, or tall ceilings. The color LCD display makes readings bright and easy to see in any lighting condition, even under direct sunlight or in dim indoor spaces. The user interface is clean and intuitive, allowing you to switch units and measurement modes quickly with just a few button presses. With options for feet, inches, and meters, you can work seamlessly across various job requirements or standards. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, this device offers extended battery life and can be charged via USB, making it convenient for on-the-go use. You won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries in the middle of a project. Its magnetic back allows hands-free operation by attaching it to any metal surface, ideal when working solo or needing steady alignment. The body of the Hupar laser tool is rugged and designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. It holds up well to minor drops, dust, and environmental conditions, making it suitable for job sites, interior renovations, or even DIY home improvement tasks. Number 3. Laser Measure, Meeleasy 330-foot Laser Distance Meter, Rechargeable Multifunctional Laser Measurement Tool with Point Finder Camera, P2P technology, perfect for outdoor long-range measuring. The Meeleasy Laser Distance Meter is packed with cutting-edge technology that takes precision measuring to the next level. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this device offers a measuring range up to 330 feet, making it suitable for everything from interior layouts to large outdoor projects. What truly sets it apart is the integrated Point Finder camera, which allows you to see your target on screen for accurate alignment, even in bright daylight. One of the standout features is the P2P technology, or point-to-point measurement. This allows users to measure distances between two arbitrary points from a single location, an advanced feature typically found only in high-end surveying tools. With this technology, you can measure dimensions that are physically inaccessible, like the height of a balcony or the distance between two buildings, all from a safe distance. Its rechargeable battery system ensures that you won't be caught off guard during work. The device charges quickly via USB and provides long-lasting use, making it ideal for professionals who need reliability on the job site. The bright LCD display is intuitive and clearly shows measurements, angles, and unit conversions in multiple formats, including feet, inches, and meters. The Mileezy is built to handle diverse measurement needs, offering a full suite of modes like continuous, area, volume, triangle, and indirect measurement via Pythagorean calculations. The tool is easy to operate, with a button layout that lets users quickly toggle between settings without fumbling during critical tasks. Number 4. 330-foot laser distance measuring tool with camera, long-range laser meters with tripod for home renovation, interior design, DIY projects, area, volume and distance measurement. Engineered for both precision and flexibility, this 330-foot laser distance measuring tool with camera is designed to support a wide range of measuring needs, from home renovation to interior design and DIY construction projects. With a long-distance capability of up to 330 feet, it gives you reliable accuracy across large spaces, whether indoors or outdoors. The built-in high-resolution camera is a key feature that makes targeting simple, especially in bright conditions where laser dots are hard to see. You can visually align your target on-screen, eliminating guesswork and increasing confidence in every measurement. Whether you're measuring across an open yard or inside a cluttered room, this camera feature ensures that you hit your mark. Equipped with a variety of measurement modes, this tool supports area, volume, distance, and continuous measurement. It also includes indirect measurement using Pythagorean geometry, allowing you to calculate distances without direct line-of-sight access. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for interior decorators, real estate agents, and contractors alike. A rechargeable battery powers the unit and can be charged via USB, offering hours of use per charge. The battery life is optimized for continuous operation, so you can complete entire projects without interruption. The display is large, crisp, and easy to read, helping you review data clearly and quickly as you work. Number 5. Sigmund 4x360 degrees 16 lines laser level with remote and app control, green self-leveling cross-line laser, 4D vertical/horizontal line for construction, home renovation, picture hanging. The Sigmund 4x360 degrees laser level is a high-performance tool designed for ultra-precise leveling and layout tasks. With 16 green laser lines, 4 360-degree planes including 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, it provides full coverage in every direction. This makes it ideal for large-scale construction, tile installation, framing, drop ceiling work, and any other project where precision leveling is critical. One of the biggest advantages is the remote and app control capability, allowing users to operate the laser hands-free. With the mobile app or included remote, you can adjust line visibility, brightness, and switching modes without needing to manually interact with the device. This not only saves time but also reduces disruptions in your workflow, especially when working across a wide area. The green laser technology is significantly brighter than red lasers, offering improved visibility in both indoor and outdoor settings. Even in well-lit environments, the beams are crisp and easy to see across long distances. With the self-leveling function, the tool automatically adjusts to ensure accurate alignment. If tilted beyond the leveling range, it alerts you with a blinking light, helping you avoid measurement errors. Durability is also a priority in this design. The laser level is built with rugged materials to withstand drops, dust, and moisture. The included mounting bracket and magnetic base allow for quick setup on tripods or metal surfaces, giving you full flexibility in positioning. Found the right laser measuring tool for your needs? All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top-rated Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.